Any idea why she might have run off?
Free! Hold it right there!
They gonna shoot the brother.
Hey, wait, hey! Hey! I'm on y'all side! You gonna shoot me? You gonna shoot me? I'm on y'all side, man! We on the same, what y'all doing? You gonna shoot me? I'm on your side, I'm trying to help you! Don't shoot, please don't shoot, please!
This is just too graphic to show. Bystanders say the young man affectionately known as Cape Guy in the neighborhood was caught in a magnetic storm.
Cape Guy wasn't trying to hurt nobody. He was one of those green light babies. I mean, high as a kite, wanting to be a superhero. But all that metal flying around, I mean, he was more scared than the police about everything that was happening.
A hero and veteran for his country who suffered from PTSD. News sources reveal that his wife believed that he may have been self-medicating with the drug Greenlight. And while we haven't been able to confirm that Cape Guy was a Greenlight meta, it is increasingly clear that the Freeland police are now willing to shoot first and find out later.
What a shame.
Proves that Freeland is a dangerous place for young people with powers.
You gonna shoot me?
Down on the ground now!
You gonna shoot me?
Now!
You gonna shoot me on your side? I'm trying to help you.
Hey, Ma. I just wanted to make sure you're okay. Yeah, I mean, the world's about to blow up because of Cape Guy, but for just a normal day in Freeland, right? I'm sure Black Lightning and Thunder will take care of it, I know. That's what they do.
Authorities are now advising residents of Freeland to stay in their homes as the riots surrounding the fatal shooting of Cape Guy
Continues to evoke chaos in the city. Alright, his vitals are getting stronger. Hey, guy. People wilding out in these streets. No, that's because they're pissed off and they got every right to be. Yeah, but what is tearing up your own community gonna do? Look, this dude is running down the street with a TV. How the hell is that helping anything? Radford, we just want to get a TV. He ain't trying to create change. But the majority of the people out there, they're trying to get the attention of the powers that be.
Yo, Dad tripping. Got me in here cooped up. This is killing me. I gotta get out there.
And do what exactly?
I don't know, Jim, but look, I gotta do something. To who? These are regular people. And on top of that, what about Uncle Gamby?
Hey, what is the assignment? Come through your block.